Yo.
Bro, you're not Cuphead.
Oh yeah, you're right. What's up, Gears Mind? In today's video, we're going to be exploring the CFOP method, a cornerstone technique for solving Rubik's cubes with lightning speed. CFOP is an acronym for cross, F2L, first two layers, OLO, orientation of the last layer, and PLO, fermentation of the last layer. Is held as the gold standard for competitive speedcubers worldwide. It's a method that's not just about solving the cube quickly, but doing so with precision and efficiency. In this video, we want to clarify up front that we're not teaching you how to solve the Rubik's Cube using CFOP. We are offering an in-depth exploration of what CFOP is all about. We'll break down each step of the method, providing insights into the underlying principles and intuitive algorithms and advanced strategies that make CFOP so effective. But CFOP isn't just a technique, it's a legacy. Some of the fastest speedcubers on the planet, such as Felix Sandex, Max Park, and Yu Shengdu, have achieved incredible feats using CFOP. Their mastery of the method has not only shattered records, but also inspired countless cubers to pursue excellence in their own solving journeys. So whether you're a novice cuber eager to understand the intricacies of the CFOP, or a seasoned speedcuber looking to redefine your skills, this video is for you. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the CFOP and unlock the secrets to faster solves. Du has achieved incredible feats using CFOP. Their masteries of the method has not only shattered records, but also inspired countless cubers, like me, to pursue excellence in their own solving journeys. So whether you're a novice cuber, eager to understand the intricacies of CFOP, or a seasoned speedcuber looking to redefine your skills, this video is for you. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of CFOP and unlock the secrets to faster solves. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated, if you want. Let's embark on the traveling journey, together and discover the magic of CFOP.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything